Elliot, turn him around, hon, so I can see him.
Okay. Here's Grandpa.
Hey, Elliot. Hey, bud.
Can you point?
It's a big to-do.
Oh, you want to touch? Touch.
Elliot is 1 year old and
Touch. Yeah.
he touched the
Can you
water.
splash?
Oh, boy.
Can you splash? Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Yeah.
That's good, buddy.
That's good.
Okay, Matthew, look up at me.
Hey, look at Grandma, buddy.
No, hey, Elliot, look up here, honey.
You see Grandma? Okay. You see Grandma?
He likes this. Oh, he's liking it.
He's liking it.
Here we go. Yeah.
He's not sure about this. He's definitely not sure about this.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, oh, now he's smiling.
That's really good.
One day you're going to swim like that little girl.
Yeah. Can you wave to the girl, bud? Can you wave?